Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Spring Gulch Cottage 1. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located 14 miles from Amish Farm and House, Spring Gulch Cottage 1 offers air-conditioned accommodations with a patio. All units comprise a seating area with a sofa, a dining area, and a fully equipped kitchen with various cooking facilities, including a microwave, a fridge, a stovetop, and a toaster. American Music Theatre Lancaster is 14 miles from the resort village, while Dutch Wonderland is 15 miles away. The nearest airport is Lancaster Airport, 21 miles from Spring Gulch Cottage 1. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.